mwanchi mulia witha seni kia Ndizi TV no wasemera kwa nemna kwa bere kugutwara obuligerero bya nebiro bindena ndingo kwaligania SMS ya mangana maya eli ndingo manyena ala ya bere kakolekana kurwa chingongo chansi inye chensi chinga kitoro che magaga yogosiri wa komorobiri o hasla fund ningaba Kenya bagendeta kwe murunga ni kubwaka n'ikibesa babete bakonyara gwitera omorobiri yo nabayigo omokonyi bo murayibwenseri gadigashagwa nigasokiri bene na kubagania abanyanyimbo bali bakolinda abasaya sekimbekirikia NOS otika kubalinda nabo kwenda kurwania abasagani asinsemo ime ya Kenya nabayigo ekyombegia Apollo ime county ya Nyamira yokyaberiye kubwatana serikali county yu asokweneki obokolili obuya wetera emitandao yekerero nabayigo kubwatikana no chika kwa bete gukorwebwa na serikali baranigo chikaunti achabere chiko imukigitambukero ase okweneki bunango simekabale emete asokweneki buna bolenda bale obwonchererya kweliro mwanchi muri karansa oike eline gumanye asenchera yobwenyi kolende inyara sinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga sensemeri ya YouTube nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke iritarene Fridah Kerubo na sensemo chibyo keryo nigotoko gwatira nere Joshua Autaa ngwira nanda segekeke elinde ngomanye amange asenchera iyo wenye magega yo murayibwense gosiore bene omorobiri o hasla fund naboigo aba Kenya kwenyorera chibese cyo nechi wiki bere chiabere chiweta ase aba Kenya baganiriye koirania chibese cyo kolende nigo babere bakorwa ebirengerere byabo kubatikana no morobiri yo wasangana barukorwa ase omocho bosongo nigo barwa ebirengerere byabo ase bayirabuna nigo chibese chikire chinge echichitaba konye elinda kwene kimna ngogendera bare buna barabo boncherelia
asa maritan ko kwel bil bonariri ko bera nyamatara basti container okore biasara byo konya mabere ese biasara ebi amabere nkorera 10 liters ngora siling miasta na nyora siling 700 bona ese limit yane yasla fane to siling 600 nta konyete komenta stock ene yonsi 600 yecho ne chingi chibes chinke sana nare go sawa bamente ya no ena chireta mabere stock nkego mentere biasara ensuke biasara sakaigo ngorere biasara saba kwa naso mo president Ruto ya mente limit ne kachiri wisa ne gana yora retira mabere isaine onyora profit oiranio tumeke profit koreta na ne wakane ngone chibese chine chinsini abagwatani bekyombe gia Apollo nigo bayimukirige tambukero rinde ko gwatana serikali ye county ya Nyamira asokane kibnanguli kibali abalemi wetera emitandao yekerero gokwana omurayo manene Benjamin Njenga nigo ayene kibuna nigo abalemi barachikwenyorera obokoreri we serikali ye county ya Nyamira senchire ndonge buna kwenyorera chimbebu echichekerengo keigoromono.
My name is Benjamin Njenga. I'm the Chief Customer Officer and also part of the founding team that started Apollo Agriculture. Today is a big day for our farmers in Nyamira, and we are very excited that we have been able to join hands with the county government of Nyamira to be able to support our farmers to have an easier process in terms of registering for government services, including access to the national government fertilizer.
Kigia Apollo kiandu siria sa tambe kiagera ina bwate nkira na lego cha gusimeka asomo gondo ne mbwate chieka ibere kiagera gona lego simeke robo yo boke bando nchikwama enchara yangitera abana bono ndo chenga
ngotebyo oyo minto amosinyaribo nero tutenenerete Nyamira abaremi abange berike egekogera ochumi yaitu gerenza sana tose konyora masa maya korwase ekekundi egegia Apollo igotora obotaka
Omukonyi b'omurai bw'ense Rigathi Gachagua nigo aorokiri okogokera kwaye ase ekyombekeri gya NYS ase obukoreri bwabo nabo igo gotwara chimbwa chindungi. Aya nigo ayakwana chingaki kyogosyoria omurobiri obene oyora chigokonya abasaye ase okwenyolera emirimo ase ochakibwa na Nation nabo igo ekampuni ya Huawei. Kolende nigo abagakwene kibuna nigo abanyanyimbo bali bakolinda abasaye ba NYS bagenderete ko kole emirime yu asenchire ndonge ase abagania ko talera chi county asoko ni kibnango korabale oborendi nabo gokorwania abasagani.
Going forward, our cabinet secretary, we want to have a discussion with government ministries and parastatals and other state corporations to have a concrete plan on how to remove our officers from the security forces to go and deal with crime. And we can have NYS personnel man those offices at a fee. It shouldn't be free, so that we can create a revolving fund to train more people. That is a conversation that we want to have. That we don't want our officers from the National Police Service. We want them to go and fight bandits. We want them to go and fight criminals. We want them to go and deal with the eradication of crime. And the NYS personnel, because they are disciplined, they can do most of the work in terms of controlling people coming in and out of buildings. But we want to have a conversation about payment. We don't want them to offer a free service, so that that money can be invested within.
Kugwatekana nogokonga kwa uchumi sense ya Kenya wananigo ekyombe gya shofko ekigekoragwa no CEO Kennedy Odede kimukiri egetambukiro ase okwena na chibesa cheli kabeso asinsemo chiri kya Githurai nabo gokwena na endagira gokwana ase chinseme cyo kinga kibalego syolia omurubiri yobene nigo Odede abaga kwene kibuna nigo ayenanire echeck yira chigokonya aborokiwa elinda konyora chisemi.
My name is Kerubo. I'm here in Gusii 45. I am very happy to meet Muslim community, Christian, and the Chai community who are doing good work here. And we have to find ways of supporting. This place is a place of business. So they told me here, and I agree with them, it's like Isili for the people here. Everything is business, right? Yes. And today we came in with a Christmas gift because we promised to come in to meet them. For them, we had some food just for the community. You know, their life is hard economically. People are struggling, and that one. And we also offer some scholarship checks for over 200 for some of the students, and then on the food we spend over $1 million for that one. But the biggest thing for them, they don't want to beg anything. These people want to get investment where they can borrow money and be able to do business.
Kogwatekana no wichera na kwa basibwa okukwabere bokwenekigwa ase ebisibo wananigo obuteneneri bwa basibwa boimukirige tambukero ase okoligia chinchira chinya chogokyanya abasibwa kolende nigo baganire ebigambero gweswana nigati nabo igokoligia amagoso ali amakamake ase bagania abasibwa bosiburwa.
The President of the Supreme Court is very positive about this issue of and we want to decongest our prisons. And one of the things that we are praying that the judiciary will do is to ensure that those petty offenders, people who have been caught loitering in the streets and they are picked, or you're so drunk, maybe when they get to the courts, they are not given sentences to be contained in such.
Kogwatekana no wachika korwa serikali na chikaunti chichaki omurubiri bwosmeka emete county ya Tarakaniti nigo yemukirige tambukero na gokora omurubiri yoli tukolia lero okuwa na omo clerk we county yo nigo ayane nigo balengete okolenda woncherelia kwelire.
This is an exercise not just by myself, but by the County Assembly Service Board to also be relevant to the current debate on climate change. So I want to thank all of you for heeding to the call, because this is a responsibility for all of us. And like many of us here have said, let us grow the trees. Okay? Let us plant these trees wherever we go. Where you are at home, plant them. Because the current debate now is how are we going to participate in mitigating the effect of climate change. And you felt it. There has been a serious ravaging drought in the entire country, and we've seen the government going around to distributing relief food. Maybe because
Unenchera ya moyo gukinya nabo igo kumuinyora omwana omumura nigo omo MC korwa ward ya Iveno Steve Arika aligania omurobelyo gukumuinyora omwana omumura kolende nigo abarai ababo bagwikirana Chinsa mecho ase amayigelyo abaga kwenanwa elinde kwendekia enyencho iyo murobelyo yo
Durante ekinyego kurukurianga bari cyane utuwaje ko esege abana bamura yegera no kamange na gacha ugende kumata abana bayisikira kigere kwaza komeja asikoicha kuba isabu kubaini kare tinga kenye chibucha ngera abana bamura bacha koira nana ko babuna bora kugira abana bayisikira ko nenda society Warena kijago kuanira magana drug abuse magana hygiene kwa moyo tomata ino emparagua ase komite ikamuna bana ya komata sekore bari ibeno na bagira tutorega tutochira sengencho na boy kama tangazaji baito abagata na bana abamura Biyamono kegime ngaya itene ni muchanga igane riyo gosemya bana baito na bagakana ni nchira tomenyete Yagara none keroto entreto kunyore bisevinge biendreto kukoreka yoro yechi cyamba na mangana
Kampuni ya Safaricom nigo yachakiri omurobelyo bene bukorwa obochenu bucha sabasubati bibwa Trinity nabo igo abasubati abake elinda kwaineki county ya Homa Bay ngo kinere kebochenu gukwana nigo bene kibuna nigo omurobelyo yo balengete koira milioni emerongo 393 elinde kwaineki buna county yongo kinere
Mother should lose their child all their life while delivering due to avoidable circumstances. And every baby born is a life we ought to save, and we should fight to save. That is why, in conjunction with the county government, AMREF, and the M-Pesa, we launched this Uzazi Salama here in Homa Bay. This project will seek to improve delivery at the facilities through innovations, and it is our hope that through this program, we can reach 90,000 women and children under 5 years from Diwa and Suba sub-counties in this county.
Chinga kicho boigo omugabana we county yo Gladys Wanga niga gokera omurobele yo ase airane limbia mono na boigo kwene kibne serikali county ya Homa Bay ne begete emirobele ya bene aso kwene ki obochenu gwekerengo keigoro mono.
We know that our mothers are going to now be able to deliver with dignity and in the dignity that they deserve. As I was walking around here, I've seen many mothers saying that they are now removing any items that they may have so that they can go back to full blast delivery. We have seen the numbers for our delivery. We have seen the variance between those who attend antenatal clinics and those who actually deliver in the facility. We have seen that there is a big gap, almost 50% are not recorded to come back. And we therefore hope that with this facility, we're going to have 100% of our mothers actually delivering here in the facility. We have a big challenge around maternal mortality and child mortality and infant mortality. And with the kind of facility we have here now, through support of the M-Pesa Foundation, we hope together to work so that we reduce our maternal mortality, child mortality, infant mortality so significantly over the next coming years.
Unentere moyo kurwania okubura kwendagira asinsemo Amayia Kenya nigo ekambuni ya Safaricom yimukire gitambukiro nabo igokorwa obokonyi bwendagira ase ensemeli ya Garissa gokwana nigo bene kibino nige serikali benete kwimukie gitambukiro nabo igokobeka emerobiri ya bena soko ene kibina amatuko abosio mbaligo chikonyara kwa bakonyora omuchando bunoyo.
Tutaendelea kumobilize resources kwa sababu tunajua njaa ni janga ambayo itarudi tena baada ya miaka kadhaa, na kwa hivyo wakati mwingine tutakuwa tumejitayarisha kabisa ili wakati mvua ikikosa serikali itaendelea na mpango ya kusaidia wananchi.
Hii drought kila mwaka inakuja na hatuwezi kufanya kitu the same thing na to expect a different result. Kwa hivyo hiyo serikali imejitolea kuhakikisha ya kwamba mambo ya drought imekuwa addressed both short term and long term measure.
Tukiungana pamoja sio tu kuja kutoa chakula hivi, lakini kuangalia ni vipi ambavyo uchumi wa hapa ama kilimo ama ni pastoralism
Umanche umarigerera kurwa soro botiro ni gona ikire omweli oba mangana maya asebire biga kole nengo gosaba to basa koskato basa kanyagera gekoraga ensa eyamo ayona mange no yanyara senchira yobo kire nuno koleterwa nere Evelyn Osero kole ndo mwanchi mulira inyora asense mo chiche mitandao asense mo ya Facebook nabakotanyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital naboiga asense media YouTube nabakotanyara gwetera Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website nabakotanyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Magachi kamera soko ene kibuna ebichana boigo eliogide wikira sora senchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobe tukubatenere Joshua Autaa asinse mo chibiorokelio na interior ne Fridah Kerubo kukoganilia obuligerelia obuya.